Hello everyone and welcome to this podcast video about road optimization and last mile delivery. Okay, the first one is in logistics and transportation, efficiency is everything. Companies and constantly look for ways to deliver faster, reduce operation cost, and minimize environmental impact. This presentation will explore two classical route optimization methods, the sweep method and the saving method. Also, Noun and the Clark and Wright algorithm, and how these techniques can be applied to improve modern last mile delivery operations. It's important to the logistics. Route optimization means finding the best possible set of delivery routes for a fleet of vehicles. Consider this distance, time, and the vehicle capacity. For when done correctly, it's reduced kilometers traveled, fuel consumption, and emissions. All essential goals for sustainability. Let's begin with the sweep method, one of the simplest and most intuitive techniques used in vehicle routine. Imagine all delivery points spread on a map around a central depot. The method starts by drawing radial lines from that depot, like the hands of a clock, and sweeps around the area, grouping nearby customers into a cluster based on their angle. Once clusters are formed, each becomes a route for a single vehicle. This approach is particularly used for a local delivery in a small or medium-sized cities where consumers are evenly distributed. For example, a company delivering medicines to different neighbors can use the sweep method to plan efficient routes for each driver. It's fast, easy to use, and works well when the goal is simplicity and more speed. Okay, now let's move to the saving method and developed by Clark and Wright in 1964. This algorithm begins by assuming that every customer is served individually one trip from the depot to each customer and back. Then it's calculated how much distance or cost will be saved if two consumers were combined into a single route. The greater the saving, the more efficient combination. Routes are joined whenever it's possible without exceeding vehicle limits. The result is fewer routes, shorter travel distance, and lower cost. This method is ideal for large fleets and complex delivery networks such as parcel logistics or e-commerce operations. Now let's connect these ideas to last time delivery, the final step from the distribution hub to the customer door. This stage is often the most expensive and complex part of the logistics because it involves short stops, traffic congestion, and strict time windows. Route optimization addresses this challenge directly by applying methods like sweep and saving. Companies can plan smarter routes that reduce travel time, fuel use, and environmental impact. For instance, in Bogota or Medellin, applying these algorithms can reduce total driving distance by up to 25%, improving both customer satisfaction and operational sustainability. Imagine a local grocery startup delivering to the neighborhoods. Without optimization, drivers take overlapping roads and waste time and fuel. Using the sweep method, the planner groups stops into three customers north, center, and south, assigning one driver per customer. Then using the saving method, the company analyze how to merge certain routes to save even more distance. Okay, pues for the result, 20% less full use, faster deliveries, and happier customers. Thank you. Okay, to conclude, route optimization is a key tool in modern logistics. The sweep and saving methods show how mathematical logistics. Okay, to conclude, route optimization is a key tool in modern logistics. The sweep and saving method show to the mathematical logic can transform real-world operations, making deliveries faster, cheaper, and greener. As cities grow and customers expect same-day service, these tools will become even more critical in design efficient last-mile systems. And for today is all. Thank you for watching.